Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, food lovers and adventure seekers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring the most unique and delicious foods from all around the globe. If you love discovering new flavors and learning about diverse cultures, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an exciting culinary journey. As the year winds down, the holiday season takes center stage in every corner of the world, from Christmas to New Year's, Diwali to Lunar New Year, and everything in between. Holidays are about much more than just festive gatherings. They're about celebrating family, tradition, and the joy of coming together. And no celebration is complete without its special holiday foods. In this video, we'll take a delicious journey through some of the moose-dry holiday dishes from different cultures, highlighting the rich traditions and flavors that make these meals unforgettable. Whether you're looking for savory bites, sweet treats, or a festive drink, we've got you covered. So, get ready to indulge in the most iconic and beloved celebration foods that you definitely don't want to miss. 1. Thanksgiving Feast in the United States. A table of gratitude. Thanksgiving in the United States is perhaps one of the most iconic holiday meals in the world. Celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November, this holiday has its roots in the early 17th century, when the Pilgrims and Native Americans shared a feast of Thanksgiving for a successful harvest. Today, it remains a time for families to gather and give thanks for their blessings. Key dishes in a traditional Thanksgiving feast. Roast turkey. The undisputed star of any Thanksgiving dinner, roasted to golden perfection, often seasoned with herbs like rosemary and thyme. Turkey is accompanied by stuffing, a savory filling made from bread, vegetables, and sometimes sausage. Cranberry sauce, tart, tangy, and sweet. Cranberry sauce is the perfect balance to the rich flavors of the turkey. Many families make it from scratch, with fresh cranberries, sugar, and a hint of orange zest. Mashed potatoes, creamy, buttery, and fluffy mashed potatoes are a must-have side dish. Often served with gravy made from turkey drippings, they are the ultimate comfort food. Pumpkin pie. This spiced dessert is the quintessential Thanksgiving treat. With its rich filling of spiced pumpkin and creamy texture, it's a delicious way to wrap up the meal. Cultural significance. Thanksgiving food isn't just about eating, it's about giving thanks, celebrating togetherness, and acknowledging the bountiful harvest. The food serves as a reminder of the importance of family, unity, and sharing. 2. Christmas dinner in the United Kingdom. A royal celebration. Christmas in the United Kingdom is a magical time, and the Christmas dinner is something that families eagerly anticipate. While it's more than just a meal, the food served on Christmas Day is a feast of tradition, joy, and indulgence. Key dishes in a British Christmas dinner. Roast turkey or goose. Just like in the US, roast turkey is often the centerpiece of the British Christmas dinner. However, many families opt for roast goose, which has a richer, gamier flavor. Both meats are served with crispy roast potatoes and vegetables, like Brussels sprouts, carrots, and parsnips. Christmas pudding. This is a classic British dessert that is traditionally made with dried fruits, suet, and spices. It's steamed for hours, creating a dense, moist cake that is typically with brandy before serving. Mince pies. These small, sweet pastries are filled with a mixture of dried fruits, spices, and suet. They are often eaten in the days leading up to Christmas, served with a cup of tea or mulled wine. Brandy butter. This rich and creamy butter flavored with brandy is often served alongside Christmas pudding, adding a decadent touch to the meal. Cultural significance. British Christmas dinner brings families together to celebrate not only the holiday, but also centuries of tradition. The meal is a symbol of hospitality, generosity, and festive spirit. 3. Lunar New Year in China. A feast for prosperity in China. The Lunar New Year is the most important holiday of the year. It's a time to welcome a new year, honor ancestors, and pray for good fortune. The celebrations last for about 15 days, with food playing a significant role in the festivities. Each dish is symbolic, bringing wishes for prosperity, health, and happiness. Key dishes in Lunar New Year celebrations. Dumplings, jawazi. These crescent-shaped dumplings are filled with a variety of ingredients like pork, beef, shrimp, or vegetables. Their shape resembles gold ingots, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Spring rolls. These crispy delights are filled with vegetables, meat, or seafood, and their golden color represents wealth and good fortune. They're often eaten at the beginning of the new year to usher in a prosperous year. Nyangao glutinous rice cake. This sweet, chewy rice cake is a favorite during Lunar New Year. Its texture symbolizes strength, and the dish is believed to bring good luck and growth in the coming year. Fish. In Chinese culture, the word for fish, yu, sounds like the word for abundance. So, eating fish during the Lunar New Year symbolizes wishes for a year of plenty. Cultural significance. The food eaten during Lunar New Year is rich in symbolism. Each dish is carefully chosen to bring good fortune, prosperity, and happiness to the family for the year ahead. It's not just about eating, it's about wishing for a better future. For Diwali in India, sweets and spices for the Festival of Lights. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is the most celebrated holiday in India, marking the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. The festival is known for its fireworks, vibrant decorations, and, of course, its amazing food. Diwali is a time for families to come together, exchange gifts, and enjoy festive foods, many of which are fried and sweetened for the occasion. Key dishes for Diwali. Samosas. These golden deep-fried pastries are filled with spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat. They're a popular snack during Diwali, often served with tangy laddu, made from ingredients like chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. Laddus are one of the most beloved sweets during Diwali. They are round, sweet, and rich, representing prosperity and good fortune. Barfi, this dense, fudge-like treat, is made from condensed milk, sugar, and a variety of flavors such as coconut, pistachio, and rose. It's often garnished with edible silver leaf, adding a touch of elegance to the celebration. Chakli, a crispy, savory snack made from rice flour and seasoned with spices. Chakli is a favorite snack enjoyed alongside other sweets during Diwali festivities. Cultural significance. Diwali is a festival of celebration, renewal, and gratitude. The sweets and snacks symbolize the sweetness of life and the abundance of blessings in the coming year. Sharing food during Diwali is an expression of unity and joy. 5. Christmas in Mexico, tamales and punch. In Mexico, Christmas is a lively and colorful celebration that spans several weeks, culminating in Nochebuena, the Christmas Eve feast. The holiday season is marked by vibrant processions, colorful decorations, and of course, plenty of delicious food. Tamales are one of the most iconic foods enjoyed during this time. Key dishes for Mexican Christmas. Tamales. These traditional Mexican delights are made with masa corn dough, which is filled with meats, cheese, or chilies, and wrapped in corn husks. They're often steamed or boiled and served hot. Bacalao ala. This dish of salted cod, cooked with tomatoes, olives, and capers, is a Christmas classic in Mexico. It is a flavorful and hearty dish that represents the fusion of indigenous and Spanish culinary traditions. Punch. A warm fruit punch made from seasonal fruits like guava, sugarcane, and hibiscus flowers, often spiced with cinnamon. This drink is enjoyed throughout the Christmas season and is sometimes spiked with rum for an extra festive touch. Cultural significance. Mexican Christmas food reflects the country's rich history of family traditions, community, and togetherness. Sharing these dishes symbolizes unity and the joy of celebrating with loved ones. 6. Midsummer in Sweden. A feast for the summer solstice. Midsummer is one of Sweden's most important holidays, marking the summer solstice and the arrival of the long, warm days. It's a time for outdoor feasts, dancing, and celebrating nature's bounty. The food is fresh, light, and focused on the season's best offerings. Key dishes for midsummer. Pickled herring, a staple of Swedish midsummer feasts. Pickled herring comes in many flavors, from mustard and dill to garlic and onion. It's typically served with new potatoes and sour cream. Gravid lax. This cured salmon is flavored with dill, sugar, salt, and pepper. It's often served on rye bread or as part of a larger smorgasbord. Strawberry cake, jordgubbsturta. Fresh Swedish strawberries are used to make this light and refreshing dessert, which is topped with whipped cream and layered between moist sponge cake. Cultural significance. Midsummer is all about celebrating the joy of nature and the bounty of summer. The food reflects this with fresh seasonal ingredients taking center stage. A world of celebration through food. Food is an integral part of every holiday, not just for the flavors but for the memories, traditions, and symbolism that come with it. From the hearty meals of Thanksgiving in the US to the sweet treats of Diwali in India, every culture has its own way of celebrating through food. These dishes bring people together, create lasting memories, and fill our hearts and bellies with joy. Which of these holiday foods would you love to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food adventures on Global Eats Uncovered.